Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change equalizer preset for your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. You have to start by open XIAOMI earbuds application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see it here. Now you need to scroll down and go to audio effects. Then click at the audio balance and click at the selected preset here. And right here there's all presets what XIAOMI offer for us. So click at the best one for you. You can also select a custom one, it's up to you. And let's say I want a Harman Master, so I click on it and I just change it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.